Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using the product service. In this video, we're exploring WorldSIM, an international SIM card provider found at WorldSIM.com. This service offers a compelling solution for travelers looking to stay connected affordably while abroad. Instead of racking up exorbitant roaming charges with your current carrier, WorldSIM provides a convenient alternative with global coverage. Their SIM card allows you to maintain communication without the worry of excessive bills upon returning home. The company boasts a wide network reach, spanning numerous countries across the globe, making it a versatile option for frequent globetrotters or those embarking on extended trips. One of the key advantages of using a service like WorldSIM is the ability to retain your existing phone number while utilizing their international SIM. This eliminates the need to inform contacts of a temporary number change, streamlining communication while you're away. WorldSIM offers a variety of plans tailored to different needs and budgets, allowing users to select the option that best suits their data and calling requirements. Whether you need a large data allowance for navigating new cities or simply require basic connectivity for calls and texts, WorldSIM likely has a plan that fits the bill. Before committing to a particular international SIM card provider, it's always a good idea to research reviews and compare pricing to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. Factors to consider include coverage in your intended destinations, data speeds, and customer support availability. By taking the time to explore these aspects, you can confidently choose a solution that meets your specific travel communication needs. For more detailed information on WorldSIM and its offerings, be sure to visit their website at www.worldsim.com. There, you can explore their various plans, check coverage maps, and learn more about how their service works. Staying connected while traveling internationally doesn't have to be a hassle or a drain on your finances. With services like WorldSIM, you can enjoy seamless communication wherever your adventures take you.